Let's look at role and duties of a reporter. A reporter is one who observes the passing show in the widest sense of the word and pictures its detail for the benefit of the whole society. A reporter may be accurate, conscientious, a good citizen, and take part in molding the views of other people, but he cannot play his part successfully unless he keeps his eyes open and his mind attuned to the present, future, as well as the past. He is a leader of men in many senses of the word. He must not express his own views in what he writes. He must know in most sets of circumstance, but everything he writes must express his mind and its condition. He holds up a mirror, and how much clouded or clear it is depends on the truth or a twist of the truth which he makes in accordance with his nature and mental equipment. A good reporter seldom sticks to a newspaper for long. Usually he passes on to news agencies or gets promotion to look after other aspects of newspaper production, like a news editor or a chief correspondent. A reporter's mind is like a sponge, paying a good deal of attention to purely mundane things, but learning something every day and cleaning his mind of matters not up to the mark. He must organize his knowledge and codify it. He must understand the principles of government in general and in some details. He must know general history, particularly the history of his area. Though he cannot pick up these things as he goes along his duty, it is better for him to supplement his knowledge by a planned study. A reporter is the gatherer of news and as such performs an important function in a newspaper establishment. As he has to gather news, he is required to be on the move most of the time, usually within the area allotted to him. The nature of the job being such, an up and doing type of person proves successful in this line. Naturally, persons who prefer fixed working hours and regular routine in daily life are unsuitable for this job. A person of snobbish, uppish and patronizing temperament has little or no chance of success in this line. A shy and a reserved type of young person is totally unfit to become a successful reporter. He must possess abundant self-confidence so as not to be overawed by the rank or position of an individual. He should be a man of initiative and should not be easily disheartened or discouraged. He should possess mental and physical perseverance. He should be able to grasp the situation quickly and reduce it into writing in the shortest time and in a readable form. But while reporting news, he must be able to judge its authenticity and then report the news so collected with absolute honesty. He should be able to record the happenings and incidents in a condensed form, as he has to take into account the space available in the newspaper for it. Suppose he has to write a report on some important meeting which lasted for over 2 hours. In such a circumstance, he must have an eye for the important discussions, omitting all irrelevant matter. So, the reporter must be temperamentally so framed that he does not get irritated even if at times he has to wait for hours to meet an important person or come across an event. When a newsworthy occasion does come, he should be able to grasp it quickly and write it out with great speed. Thus, the end of the role and duties of a reporter. We meet again next time. Thanks for watching this video.